course,
ant, ant,
part,
call, group, group, call, ant, course, team.
I want to take a trip with my cat. Take. Talk. Take.
Is basketball the most difficult sport?
Is he the most famous soccer player? Place. Player. A group of friends.
Hey, duo, have a nice trip. Hey, duo. Have a nice trip. She is the most important player on her team. Team. Time. Team.
This is the most exciting vacation. The most exciting vacation. He doesn't need a ticket to the game tonight.
The coldest city in the UK. The coldest city in the UK.
A trip to New York.